Hello. Today we're going to be exploring the wonders of the Tello EDU drones. Um, they work basically, there's two, I guess, main parts of this. One is the code for like the actual, right, we're going to start from the beginning too. We're going to go to the competition and we're going to go to the updated code. I'm going to check out this commit. This is Get Kraken. This is where we get to it's where we manage our repo and our different repos that we have. We have the Tello comp, we have the sandbox, and our main, which are just different branches of like the code. In our sandbox, we just messed around, figured out some things, worked on some stuff, and then in our competition is where we actually made the code that we were trying to fly our drones through these hoops. And there's various different complexities and different motions we need to do to actually get the point, or we made it through this one hoop, right? So we use PyCharm to code it, and then you basically would run this through on the laptops, which would be connected to the drones, and they would send signals and go to it. So this is basically the only code that this has is the takeoff and the land. When the drone receives takeoff, it takes off, and when it receives land, it lands. These are where we stored the code for each hoop. There's 4 hoops. We're going to check out made it through the first hoop. This is the first one. This is the commands. Go, and this is the direction of where. Don't mind the audio. This is the direction of where we want to go, and this is the speed. X, Y, and Z, and we went X this, which is basically if you were to be standing, it would be forward. Y is to the left. Z is up and down. This is to the first one, and then after this, it starts going up towards the second hoop, and I can show that. So this is a video of it, and we're going to basically talk about what the code does while doing it. Now, so the drill, it goes straight, which is what this command tells it to do right here. Well, and then it does the climb thingy, so it goes straight, and then it's going to slowly ascend or like take off pretty much, which is what this does. It tells it to go up, and that's that. And then the next part of this, that was a little bit. We're going to check out this commit, and this commit, we changed the code, made it a little bit better, made it more accurate. That was to the second hoop, and then after that, so we basically worked on the code to make it more accurate, so that we stopped directly in it. So it received the command, it goes, it stops in the relative center of it. It's not horribly accurate, and then it goes up and it extends, and then we made it land. This was a older video. Eventually after that, we got the curve to work, so after that you have to curve it around to another 2 hoops, and then yeah, and the code for that, what that looks like is the curve. I'm going to check out this commit. Go over here and look at that. So we more organized it, because this is technically the second hoop. First hoop, we fixed our numbers a little bit. As you can see, the numbers are a little different, so that's more accurate. And then the curve, basically it tells it to curve at this and this speed with this.